Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeff Seaton and this is Jeff Seaton Lawn Care. I've got a really exciting video for you today. I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the 2025, that is the all-new RYOBI 21-inch self-propelled mower. Of the two mowers here, it's the mower on top. I'll be doing a second video for the mower on bottom, but for today we'll just focus on the RYOBI 21-inch brushless, self-propelled, full mower kit. It's reported to have more power than a 163cc gas mower. It comes with 2 batteries, a charger. Those batteries have up to 80 minutes of runtime, 40 minutes each. It has also a 5-year warranty on the tool, a 3-year warranty on the batteries. It also has a lifetime warranty on the deck of the mower. Let's have a look here. As we open this up, the very first thing we'll do is I'm going to lift this handle up so that I can take out the frame and the bag for the bagging feature of the mower. Comes out just like that. Get rid of the paper. I have the attachment for the side discharge. Take these out of here. They're just hollow. Hollow. I'm going to lift this up. Move that over. Pull this out. That is your charger. One battery. Second battery. Here's a look again at everything that came with it. We have the side discharge. We have the frame for the bag. We have the bag itself. We have a battery charger. We get one battery here, second battery here. 40-volt, second 40-volt. And of course, the mower itself. Unlike the previous model that had a single lever to release the handle, to lift it up and lock it into place, for this particular mower, you need to turn your levers down, lift it up, and then lock them into place. And when it comes to the battery, this has been redesigned and is reported to get extra battery life compared to the previous 6-amp battery that came with the previous mowers. You can see they actually look different. The new battery's slightly smaller and has a bit of a different shape to it compared to the previous battery. You still have your LED lights in the back to show you the charge level. Of course, this is full. Just took it off a charger, and this is brand new, so it's without charge. And the quick charge charger that came with it looks to be the exact same as the previous charger. Put these batteries down here so that we can take a look at the frame for the rear discharge. So now to put this frame together, we flip it over, drop it into the frame itself. You notice one end of the bag is longer than the other. That is going to come in and behind the back side of that frame. Easiest way to do this is pull it up, lift one corner, and just slide the rest of it in. You'll notice it just pops into place. And that's it. Now with the bag attached, just walk to the back of the mower, lift up that rear door. There's a little bit of a lip in there. Lift it up, you drop it into place, and now it's ready to go for bagging. Personally, I don't do an awful lot of bagging, unless we have a presence of weeds, crabgrass around. Instead, I mulch. Now with the side discharge, of course, not with the mower running, you lift up the flap, just slide that into place, and it locks into place. Now to raise and lower the mower, it's a one-handle adjustment. Simply pull it out, lift it up to the desired height, and there you go. I've already measured from the bottom of the deck to the blade, and there's a half inch clearance there. If I measure from the deck to the ground, I'm getting 5 inches. So the cut height on that, the maximum cut height on that is 5.5 inches. When I lower it back down, the lowest level this goes the lowest this mower cuts is 1.5 inches. Not bad. Now if you're mowing and bagging and you want to switch to mulching, there's a simple dial. Turn that dial from bag to mulch. So you can see the door is closed there for the mulching, and to bag, where it blows out through the back, you switch that to bagging. How do you insert the batteries on this unit? Well, it's quite simple. On the top cover, there's a little lip. Just pull up, open it up. You'll find your owner's manual, your user's manual. We'll set that off to the side. You take your battery, this end facing down, simply slide it in. And the same here, you just simply, and away you go. I'm sure many of you are wondering if you can use your previous 40 volt 6 amp batteries in this unit. Fits, it closes, no problem at all. It does say directly on the unit that it operates best with 2, but can run with a single battery as well. Let's look at the back wheel here to see. Looks like we got 10 inches on the rear. And 8 inches on the front. Another excellent feature of this unit is the cut command center. It helps you adjust your speed. You can go down, you can speed up. If you're mowing through tough conditions, you can hit the turbo mode, or you can turn it off. There's even a button to turn the light on the unit or off. A look at the top shows you the amount of charge, the amount of battery life you have remaining on the battery that's currently connected.
Another great feature on this is the blade health check button. You can see when it's green, it's fine. When it is red, it needs to be replaced.
Another improvement compared to the previous model. On the previous model, you had to switch your key from side to the other side if you were switching batteries. This is not the case anymore. With your key in, it operates regardless of the direction it's facing. One of the important pieces of information on this is how long does it actually take to charge these batteries. So you can see we're completely dead there. We'll plug that in. One thing is for sure, this unit is quieter than the previous quick charge charger. Although I thought it was exactly the same, it's definitely quieter. As for charging time, it took me 1 hour and 10 minutes as a first charge. Since then, I've used the battery and it's taken about 45 minutes to fully charge the battery. Now, if you have any questions on this mower, make sure to put them in the comments section below. Right now is actually a great time to hit the subscribe button, and also make sure you hit the bell notification so you can be updated when I do my review and unboxing of the RYOBI 21-inch all-wheel drive multi-blade mower. I'm Jeff Seaton. This has been Jeff Seaton Lawn Care. Thanks for watching.